What did the EU leader admit about the current crisis in NATO? The revelation might surprise you and change how you see this powerful alliance's future. The EU leader recently admitted that NATO is facing significant internal challenges. Unlike the united front often portrayed, he revealed that member countries are struggling with divergent interests, causing friction that threatens the alliance's cohesion. This admission is striking because NATO has long been seen as a pillar of Western security, yet now cracks are becoming public. At the core of the crisis are disputes over defense spending, with some members not meeting agreed targets. There are also differing views on how to handle emerging threats, like cyber attacks and geopolitical tensions. The EU leader pointed out that these differences undermine NATO's ability to respond quickly and effectively, exposing vulnerabilities that adversaries could exploit. The EU leader warned that if these issues are not addressed, NATO's deterrence capability could be compromised. This is critical because the alliance acts as a deterrent against aggression from rival powers. A weakened NATO could shift the global balance of power, making the world less stable and more unpredictable. Despite the crisis, the EU leader emphasized the importance of renewed commitment from all members. He called for reforms that could improve cooperation, burden sharing, and rapid response capabilities. The future of NATO depends on its ability to adapt and unite in the face of emerging threats, making this admission both a warning and a call to action. The EU leader's admission pulls back the curtain on NATO's hidden struggles. Knowing this helps you understand the fragile state of international security today. If you want daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay informed with us.